A few years ago, I warned the armed forces are either not capable or unwilling to protect us, that we must defend ourselves. Every one of us must rise up. The armed forces are not neutral. They collude. They collude. They collude with the armed bandits that kill people, kill Nigerians. They facilitate their movement. They cover them. If you are depending on the armed forces to stop the killings, you will all die.
Did General T.Y. Danjuma really say this about the Igbos? The truth behind the viral quote, shocking Nigeria. In mid-October 2025, something unusual took over the Nigerian social media. Screenshots, podcasts, voiceovers. Everyone was sharing a statement said to be from retired General Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma, one of Nigeria's most respected elder statesmen, soldier, businessman, philanthropist, and a man known for his silence more than his speech. The post read, "What an Igbo man sees with his eyes closed, a Yoruba professor cannot see even with his eyes wide open." It spread like wildfire across Facebook pages, WhatsApp groups, TikTok reels, and YouTube shorts. People said Danjuma has finally spoken the truth about the Igbo people. They said he praised their courage, their vision, their fearlessness in speaking truth to power. But then the question came, did General T.Y. Danjuma truly say this? Or is this another social media invention, dressed as wisdom? This afternoon on Chinick TV, we dig deep through archives, newsrooms, and online footprints to uncover the truth behind the viral quote. Around October 14th, 2025, the quote appeared first on a few Facebook pages that often post ethnic and motivational sayings. Within hours, it was everywhere. Comment sections were on fire, some clapping for T.Y. Danjuma, others accusing him of ethnic bias. Yet when you check Nigeria's top newsrooms, Punch, Channels TV, Daily Trust, Premium Times, Vanguard, not one carried any report of such a statement. No press release, no video clip, no public speech, no event reference. Even the T.Y. Danjuma Foundation, his official humanitarian organization, had no record of any such comment. So if none of the major sources confirmed it, where did it really come from? Our fast check found out that the quote first appeared on a small Facebook page that posts inspirational ethnic wisdoms. Quotes longly credited to Obasanjo, Ojukwu, Awolowo, and Zik. A few hours later, TikTok creators pick it up, using Danjuma's photo and a dramatic background voice saying, he finally speaks truth to power. From there, the post jumped to WhatsApp broadcast lists. Before nightfall, thousands of Nigerians had believed it was real. This is the life cycle of a fake quote. A small post appeals to emotion. It gets shared by people who already agree with the message, and soon it becomes truth simply because it went viral. Now, let's be fair. Has T.Y. Danjuma ever said positive things about the South or the Igbos? The answer, he has shown respect, but never in these poetic or comparative words. Back in 2018, Danjuma made national headlines when he told Nigerians to defend themselves because the government is not protecting them. That speech was not about tribe. It was about justice, insecurity, and the silence of leaders. Many southern Nigerians interpreted it as the voice of a northern general who refused to bow to power. Again in 2019, he warned that if Nigeria continues on the path of injustice, the future will be in danger. So yes, he has always spoken like a patriot, not a tribal spokesman. This viral quote, comparing Igbo vision with Yoruba intellect, simply does not fit his tone, his diction, or his philosophy. Let's understand why people believed it so fast. 1. Emotional validation. Many Igbos felt the words echoed how they see themselves. Bold, visionary, persecuted yet unbroken. Hearing it from a northern elder felt like long-awaited recognition. 2. Political season. Nigeria is heading towards 2027. Conversations about alliances, power rotation, and regional pride are heating up. So any quote that flattered one region instantly becomes a political weapon. 3. Algorithm of outrage. Social media platforms reward emotion, not evidence. A calm correction gets 50 likes. A fiery ethnic statement gets 50,000. 4. Danjuma's mysterious silence. He rarely talks, rarely grants interviews. So when anything is attached to his name, people assume it's true because he is unlikely to respond. Combine those 4 elements: emotion, politics, algorithm, and silence, and you have the perfect storm for misinformation. Whether you are Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Tiv, or Ijo, Nigeria's challenge is not who sees more, it's who acts more. We compete for who is wiser, when what the nation needs are doers, builders, and truth tellers. General Theophilus Danjuma has spent decades warning about injustice, unity, and national healing, not tribal competition. If he truly wanted to praise the Igbo people, he would do so through facts, not poetry that divides. Maybe the deeper lesson here is this: the fake quote reveals what Nigeria secretly craves: acknowledgement, respect, and fairness. But we don't need lies to archive that. We need truths, empathy, and accountability. So, let's end clearly. The quote is viral, not verified. No speech, video, or statement confirms it. Verdict: misattributed, false, fabricated. Yet it teaches us a moral truth, not from Danjuma, but from our reaction to it. We are desperate for leaders who see the truth and speak it without fear. Before you share your next viral post, remember, a lie can travel from Lagos to London before truth even wears its shoes. I am Philip Eze, and this is Chinick TV, where we don't just chase headlines, we chase understanding. If you value truth above tribe, click subscribe, share this video, and let's keep holding power and social media accountable, one story at a time.